Alright, hello everyone. I do not want to take too long explaining things, so let me go ahead and get right down to it. So I'm already at the Canvas page for this class right here, English 10, and I would also recommend that you already have another tab open to Canvas, to this page. So let me go ahead and go to today's work, which is Wednesday, September 2nd. So here you have the instructions. I do not want to take time reading. You can do that on your own. So eventually you will see you will have to pick one of these three assignments uh, depending on your issue of choice. So I'll just click on the first one to show you an example of what you will have to do. So this is the one on immigration, and this is something you will complete on a reading. And the reading, obviously, it is not here. You did not see it. I could not make a direct link to it. So instead, you will have to go over here to where it says Files. So click on Files. Then click on the folder that says Unit 1 Articles. You can click either one of these, is the same. And then in here you have the three readings. So you will obviously pick out the one for your issue of choice, which again in here was immigration. So I will pick out the one for immigration. Alright, so then the next step you will do is you will read the article. You can take your time. So you go ahead and read it, and after you read it, you go back to this assignment and you answer this question. So this is a double entry journal. The point of this is to have you answer a question over here on one side, and then on the other start gathering evidence that supports your opinion. And at this point, I think we already have an idea of what can make good and strong evidence. So let me show you very quick what you will have to do. So in here it says, what two observations about this reading support or attack your position on this matter? So at this point, you're already starting to think of that final project by the end of the quarter about your social issue. So start thinking, when you read this, start thinking of how it may support or not your opinion. This week you will get articles on one side of this issue. Next week you will get the other side of this issue. But in this case, what I would do is read here, think of two things that I found that support or maybe attack my own opinion. It's important that you know what supports, so obviously, so you can make your argument stronger. And it's also important that you know what is against, so you know even better how to attack the gaps of the other side. So pick out your two observations. Sorry, so just two. These are your own words, okay? And make sure you use number. So one, and then tell me my observation is, and then two, write your answer. Over here, you will pick one quote from this text that supports your answer over here. And this is so that when you start to make that project, you'll already have the evidence that will make your argument stronger. So when we begin to write it, you kind of just have to put things together. Okay? So that is what you do. Open this document, go to your reading, read this, then go back here, write two observations that attack or support your position, and then one quote that supports what you have over here on this side, so you can begin to gather information for your final project. So that's it, and you can now go ahead and start working.